Hi, it's Paul Barnett and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking to you about a new traffic source which is getting a lot of attention at the moment, and it's called Secondsplash. Now Secondsplash uses splash pages and you're going to be creating these yourself. So you might be asking yourself, what is a splash page? Well, if you've ever used a traffic exchange, then you'll know what a splash page is, because with a traffic exchange you're viewing other people's pages in order to build up credits. So, Secondsplash. Well, as I mentioned, you're going to be able to create splash pages in this system. And Secondsplash has an inbuilt traffic system. So the splash page you create, that gets shown to all the members in the system. So whenever you sign up to Secondsplash, your splash page gets shown alongside your sponsor splash page. So as soon as you sign up to Secondsplash, you become part of a downline, and then you're going to start building your own downline. So the first two referrals that you get in, they get passed up to your sponsor, but this qualifies you to immediately start your own downline. And then when each person in your downline starts to bring in new members, two of these referrals get passed to you. So for each of those members, you're going to get two each time. Two of those referrals are going to get passed up to you. So what this does is it creates a kind of snowball effect. So your splash pages will continue to receive more and more traffic originating from your downline members when their own splash pages are viewed. And your affiliate link continues to receive more and more exposure as your downline, and hence your traffic continues to grow. And as your downline continues to grow, so does your traffic, which leads to more signups, which leads to even more traffic, which leads to even more signups, and so it continues. Pretty ingenious. So this is in effect how it works. Whenever a splash page belonging to a member in your downline is viewed, half of the time one of your splash pages is going to be shown on the left side of the screen. Here we can see the sponsor splash page in purple. Now on the page displaying the splash pages belonging to you and your downline member, they also display both of your affiliate links. So in the image above, they're embedding your and your downline members' affiliate links in position 1 and 2. So your sponsored splash page is shown there on the left hand side in purple, and here is going to be your splash page there. And this is how it's going to work every time somebody signs up under you. And that's how you're going to get more and more exposure of your splash page. So this is the Secondsplash back office. I've not been using this too long myself, but I can show you roughly how it all works. So it's very simple to create your splash page. You just come into this section here, click on Add New Splash Campaign, and scroll down a bit here, and this is where you can select like a category for whatever you're doing. So for example, I'll just select beach for now, and let's say we did this one, we use the image, and this is where you can put your text in for what you want to do. So down here is where you've got all the formatting stuff for that. So if I put the text in here for something like so then we could just sort of use these things here to move the text around on the screen. And you can also change fonts and things like that here. Give it a color, different color, whatever you want to do. And then once that's done, you would then save it. And then you give it a campaign name, put a title in there. And here is where you put your website address where you want visitors to go when they click on your splash page. So you could put your website address, your affiliate link, whatever you want to do. And then you just save the campaign and it will be displayed alongside your other pages. So there you have it. That is Secondsplash in a nutshell. So if you decide to join Secondsplash, you're going to be able to create traffic for your primary opportunities. It's going to pay you recurring commissions, and it's going to get your downline to promote your affiliate link. And you're going to be able to multiply the amount of eyes who see your affiliate link through their unique link booster technology. So I've left a link to join Secondsplash in the description below. If you like this video, please give it a like, and also join my channel and watch out for future videos from me. Thanks for watching.